Hi, it's Wendy again. So if you're here watching this video right now, it probably means you just checked out the Fodder Challenge 2025 page, and maybe you're wondering, should I start with just the $27 Fodder Challenge, or should I jump into the full Fodder School 5 experience? Let me show you exactly what you get when you enroll in Fodder School 5, and why now is the perfect time to say yes. The moment you say yes, you'll start seeing yourself not just as someone who watches art videos, but as someone who makes art that surprises you. When you enroll in Fodder School 5 today, you'll get full access to the Fodder Challenge 2025 lessons. But unlike the standalone version, your access never expires. You'll own it for life, no November 15th cutoff. But that's just the beginning. You'll also get 11 more months of creativity, connection, and inspiration through our year-long Fodder School experience. It's like paying for one online art course and getting 12 completely different worlds to explore, with a full year of momentum built in. Here's how Fodder School works. Each month, we dive into one big mixed media collage art project with one amazing teacher. We usually follow a rhythm that goes like this. On the first of the month, we release a set of Make Fodder lessons. You'll learn how to make and collect the pieces parts of your artwork, what I lovingly call collage fodder. These are the decorated papers, collected objects, handmade bits, and general magic that become the building blocks of your art. On the 15th of the month, we release that month's Use Fodder lessons. Your teacher shows you how to turn all that beautiful fodder into a finished project. It might be a handmade book, a wall piece, a giftable item, or something you never even thought to make before. Then the next month, we do it all over again with a brand new teacher and a fresh new project. You'll learn the processes that you can return to again and again, so you stop collecting supplies and start making magic with them. But here's what makes Fodder School even more special. This is not some pre-recorded course that just sits in your inbox. It's a living, breathing, creative journey. We're in this together in real time every month. I don't just run Fodder School, I'm its biggest fan. I'm right there beside you, making the art, trying new things, sharing what works and what doesn't. When you join, you're not just buying a course, you're stepping into a culture where creativity is contagious and everyone gets to belong. Throughout the year, we also release bonus lessons, surprises that come from teachers and participants when inspiration strikes. These are always unexpected and always beloved. And once a month, we gather for what we call our Fodder School Love Fests, casual live Zoom hangouts, totally optional, of course, with the teacher of the month. We chat about supplies and techniques, share our artwork, and connect as a global community. If you can't make it live, don't worry. Everything's recorded and uploaded to your classroom so you never miss a thing. Even if you're introverted, nervous, or brand new, you'll feel welcome, supported, and surrounded by people who get why this kind of art matters. At this point, you might be wondering, who are the Fodder School 5 teachers? Great question. We are revealing them throughout the month of August 2025, and you can get to know each one through my podcast interviews at willowanders.com/podcast or wherever you like to listen to your podcasts. Trust me, this is a world-class lineup of inspiring, down-to-earth teachers who bring their own creative magic to the table. Every single teacher was chosen not just for their skill, but also for their heart, their originality, and their ability to help you find your voice. But honestly, the best part of Fodder School isn't just the lessons, it's the people. Our worldwide community of makers who show up with love, courage, curiosity, and sometimes ink-stained fingers and a pile of vintage ledger paper. This is where beginners become artists and artists find joy again. And once you join, you'll wonder how you ever created without a community like this behind you. Why enroll now? Because enrolling in Fodder School 5 right now means you'll get the Fodder Challenge 2025 lessons with lifetime access. You'll lock in the early bird price before it jumps on October 31st. You'll get to start with the high energy buzz of the challenge and then flow right into the softer, soul-filling pace of the full school year. After October 31st, the bundle goes up to the full price of $347 plus tax. Right now, you can get both the challenge and Fodder School 5 for just $237 plus tax. If your creative self has been waiting for a sign, this is it. That future you, joyfully creating, is already enrolled. If your heart's saying yes, just even a whisper, now's the time. We'd love to welcome you into Fodder School 5. We've even saved you a seat. And yes, it's already covered in paint.